facing the police every single day.
License, registration, proof of insurance. The reason for the stop is you're not wearing your safety belt properly.
Oh, I can't because I have something.
You have a doctor's note?
Oh, excuse me?
You have a doctor's note?
Oh, no.
Okay, then you have to wear it properly. So I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance, please.
It's okay.
Okay, again, I need your license, registration, and proof of insurance. You realize you can move that down, right? Yes? If you move it down, it won't be in your throat.
Yeah, I know. But no, it's already done. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I didn't know.
Okay. Is this your current address, Altoona?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'll be right back with you. All right, here's your driver's license. I do have a citation. 10-4. I do have a citation for you for not wearing the seatbelt properly. I'll explain it to you. There's no points on it. You have two options. Option one, you can pay the fine. It's $116. Option two, you can plead not guilty and have a court appearance. If the judge finds you guilty, he or she may assess penalties of up to $500. This is how you can take care of it. Just make sure you answer it within 30 days so that they don't suspend your driving privilege. All right? And the reason for the across the shoulder is to stop you from going forward in case of a front-end collision, because that airbag comes out at over 200 miles an hour and it will snap your neck.
Thank you.
Okay? So do you have any questions?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Just drive safely, please.